The Poeville Fire started, I believe, back in June or July 2020. We do have mule deer that readily utilizes peavine, and we get an influx of deer migrating in from California that winter in Nevada. And so it's an important wildlife resource area. So the Forest Service reached out to us and started planning the fire rehabilitation project in that area. The Forest Service is limited with funding, and that's kind of where we come in. We do have funding and resources to get projects done, and we ended up seeding about 1,000 acres of this burn on Forest Service's behalf. We developed 3 seed mixes for this area. And after getting the seed, we load it up, haul it to a landing zone site that works for landing a helicopter. And basically we just take bags of seed, dump them into a hopper, and it mixes them. And then the mixer dumps into buckets, and then the helicopter pilot will pick up the buckets and take those to predetermined locations that we send them to put seed on the ground. Wildfires are one of the biggest threats, potential ecosystem threats to Nevada's wildlife. We're looking for those areas that need help, and that's where we direct our treatment efforts to give them an uplift where there's not desirable vegetation and likely cheatgrass threat coming in. We'll go in and either spray and or seed in those areas to direct the vegetation community in the right direction, get those plants out there that wildlife readily use. We've expanded over the years, doing probably statewide close to 80,000 acres a year. That's really meaningful for wildlife and preserving what wildlife we can keep on the landscape.